Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to factory reset any PlayStation 5, whether it's the PlayStation 5 digital or the PlayStation 5 disc. Now, there's a couple different ways to go about doing it, but I'll show you the easiest way without having to put your, PS5 into safe mode and all that stuff. So all you want to do is make sure you have your PlayStation 5 connected to a monitor, and you also want to make sure you have a controller that's supported for the PlayStation 5. As long as you have those two things and you're set, what you want to do first is you want to power on your PlayStation 5, and you want to go inside of the settings app. So once you have the settings app open, you want to scroll down until you find that systems option. So it's just a couple options down. And once you do that, you'll see a couple of different options here. You'll see, system software, date and time, all these different things. But what you want to do is you want to click on that system software option, which should be the first option. And you want to scroll down until you see the option called reset options. Now this is where we're going to be able to go and fully factory reset our whole entire console. So we want to go ahead and click on that. Another little pop-up will come up. It'll go ahead and ask you if you want to reset your console, whatever the case is. We want to go ahead and click that we want to reset our console. And then another couple of pop-ups will actually end up coming up. And you want to keep clicking on the one that says reset. And I think some other things will come up saying, are you sure you want to do this? It's going to delete all the users and data. And from there, you just keep clicking yes and going through. And eventually the console will go ahead and get into the reset mode. Now what this will do is basically remove everything, including the games, the users, any save data on your console. It's going to delete it. But do keep in mind that whatever games you downloaded from your PlayStation account are still going to be able to be downloaded. So if you buy another PS5 or you have another console, then you're still going to be able to play those games as long as you re-download them from your account. They're not going to be deleted from your account. You're not losing your account or anything. It's just whatever is on that console itself is just going to be deleted. So if for some reason you have some game on there or some app or some information that's not on any other console, such as, game saves, or maybe even, screenshots or screen recordings that you've done that are dedicated for that console that you haven't ported over, those things may not be saved, but pretty much everything else is going to be saved onto your account. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.